example, in standard form to factored form. So here we have it in standard form. We write it in factored form. But what I would first off want to do is this here. This is one that will simply reduce. So I'm going to do that. Notice all these numbers are divisible by 2. So you always want to look for something if there's a common factor, and there is. So, and the common factor here is a 2. So I'm going to take a 2 out of each of these. And if I divide each of these by 2, which is still leaving this in the equation here, it's 2 times x squared minus 10x plus 24. And then I'm just going to factor the 24. And the factors of 24 are 1 and 24, and 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 6 and 4. And because that's a plus sign, I'm going to put a plus between them. And I'm looking for which of these add to make the number 10. See, 10 is my middle term, and the 6 and 4 make 10. But what I'm doing is now I'm going to do the following. So I'm going to write the x with a 6 and x with a 4, but I skipped a space because the larger number here will always match whatever the middle sign is. Well, the 10 is a negative. You see that they're negative in there, so I'm going to make that a negative 6 there. And because the last one is positive, that means they both have to be the same, because nobody can multiply to get a positive. Is either it's a positive times positive or a negative times a negative, so that makes that a negative 4. And now I have written it in factored form. I still have my a term times what I call that would be factored form right there, x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 4.